Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GLBS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a couple weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. Now, I did this video yesterday, so that's where this green line here is coming from, but the big question after today revolves around today being a very nice move. I don't think anybody can argue against it from where it closed yesterday to where it is right now. Yeah, a good solid move, but that does bring up the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. In my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that's why I love charts. Makes things quite straightforward, and that level is right up here at the $4, and we'll call it 25-cent mark. Why is $4.25 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $4.25. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do, right? They progress in the upwards direction. So to me, $4.25, very, very important and a very, very telling level of, price point going forward, because it's all about, are the bulls going to start to build higher bases, make progress? We'll see. Well, let's see if they can stay up above 425. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some potential battlegrounds at? Initial area of resistance, I'm going to call right there at that point, and that sits at $6.60. You can actually see it's got quite a bit of history knocking down the price, going back here, knocked it down, and then earlier today knocked it down after $6.60. Next key overall level of resistance up where that clutter of highs was from yesterday, up there right around the $8 mark. So all in all, though, no doubt about it, very, very nice movement today. Now it's just really a question of, is this bounce going to turn into something bigger? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right here to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.